What's up, all you VW bug lovers? Look at this 1957. My favorite year right here. Look at these cool years. Got a rag top on the top. 57, my favorite. The baby window over there. Look. Wow, this sucker is clean. The little pipes coming out the sides. Man, I'm gonna get me one of these. Get me one of them split windows, baby windows, one of the two. Any which one, and when there's a deal, it's gonna be my last ride right there. You wanna see some more cool V-dubs? Click the link above. Don't forget to follow. See you on the next Florida Car Show.